what's up? I know y'all been waiting like, man, what's up with the whip though? As y'all can see, she is running though, but let me give you a rundown and looking good. Ooh, look at that stance though, baby. But let me give y'all a rundown on what happened last week on a dyno. So right now though, as she sits, the car runs fine. The car is straight. But the issues we had on the dyno were we had clutch was slipping when I got this engine. Let me pop the hood for you guys. I just cleaned her up, did some photo shoots yesterday. She looking mighty sexy. Looking mighty sexy. Hey, check this out though. Huge ass spider. Yeah. She is looking mighty nice though. Let me tell y'all what happened. Yeah, we was getting the clutch started slipping with when I bought the motor and the transmission from my homie. I just went on a like hope and a prayer that the clutch will hold. You know, we wasn't going for a crazy amount of power, only like 220, 230 max. And we couldn't even make that because the clutch was slipping. The clutch will only hold, as far as I know, this bad clutch will only hold 130. And also, this car is not hitting VTEC because someone was lazy or was too lazy to put in the walbro fuel pump 255 that he have in his room. That was my fault. So when the car started hitting VTEC, it would lane out like immediately. So, and oh yeah, y'all know that's a Bisimoto stage 3, level 3.6 camshaft. So, I can't even imagine when the VTEC hitting that thing, it was just leaning out. We're gonna change the fuel pump today, but we're not dropping the tank though. We're doing it from the inside. So we're gonna cut a hole. We're gonna locate and cut a hole at the top, and I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna figure something out. Maybe like, you know, with a latch or something like that. But we're gonna figure something out. It's gonna be nice. I'm not just gonna leave a hole back there. I seen that on Young Static channel. He cut a hole in the back of his red CRX that he had. And I was like, that's nice. You know, I wouldn't do that to this car because I don't want a hole, you know, I don't want a hole just to be sitting right there. But yeah, she's collecting dust. Don't worry, we're gonna get this car back on the road. Trust me. Your boy Rico just had to get the hatch done. It's been 5 months now. So let's get to removing the back seats. If you guys don't know how to remove back seats in a 88 to 91 EF, well, I'm about to show you guys. So let's get to it. It's these two black things, like these two clips at the bottom that need to be removed so you can slide the seat over and get them out. It's these clips right here. Trying to do this with one hand is a bitch. Okay, we got the clips out. It would look something like this. Set those to the side. And now let's remove the back seats. So I was told you have to slide them, I think, towards the center or towards the passenger. I mean, towards the driver's side. So let's see. Oh yeah, it was this way. So make sure you don't rip your seat. Pull this out. That's one. See a lot of trash that we can clean up, so let's do that. Now, usually it would be a screw right here holding the cushion down, but it looked like this seat was raised up before. So the screw is not here, so we could just lift it up just like that. Yeah, this seat been removed before. Slide this out. Just check out the grit and the grime that's in here. Look, broken glass, all type of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up, make it look like this, and then get to the fuel tank. So I guess at one point this car was broken into because it have a lot of glass back here. Look at all this. A lot of stuff. This was just all under my back seat. It all under there and stuff like that. Yeah, but we got most of the junk. Up, and time to clean it, baby. Guys, check this out. Look how the scrubbing bubbles just lifting this. Oh my God, I don't even know what this is. Look like, I don't know, half piss, half, I don't have no clue, but it's disgusting, like, ugh. Okay guys, now that we done let that sit, we wiped it down, and this is how she looking. Much better. I'm liking this a lot. I may even wipe down those seats because I never did, but we'll do that later. So let me set you guys up and we can get the cutting. I know, well, like I measured, so we can cut from like right here, take it to about like right there. Cut it from the side, cut it up right there, and cut it about like right here, right above this metal piece. So let's get to it. Mind you, when you're doing this, when you're cutting, you don't have to go all the way down. You will end up puncturing your gas tank. Just go far enough. This is my first time doing it, so I ain't no expert, but this is, just go far enough. Just go far enough till you feel the blade, you know, cut through the metal, and it's free. So you basically only having like basically a ½ inch of travel through the blade. I mean, to the blade through the metal. Because you don't want to hit your gas tank. Trust me. Just like that, there is the gas tank. And there is the pump right there. Now, let me show you guys why exactly you want to be really careful doing this. This is how close in this area right here that the gas tank is to the car. So if you was, you know, going pretty deep, and look, I nicked the wires too. I'm gonna have to fix those, but yeah, I most definitely have to fix that. But you will go dead into your gas tank. So be very careful, guys. So now we're about to hit it with some sandpaper just to get, you know, the rough edges off. Okay, so now guys, we got the fuel pump out. There's the hanger right there. Here's the walbro. We already got the sock on it, but we don't have the connector. So we just stuck right here now. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. It's either I'm gonna wait and order the right connector, or just get the two pigtail connectors and do it that way. Okay, now it's a few days later, actually 3 days later. The clip actually got here, ordered the clip. Neighbors, but yeah, got everything wired up. I forgot what these little solder tubes are, but they're nice. I highly suggest you can get some of those, you know, if you don't feel like soldering anything the original way. But yeah, they're nice. Got everything positive, negative, everything cool. So now we can put this bad boy back into the tank and bolt everything back up. I'm looking like hot shit right now. But yeah, so we got the fuel pump back in, and I also changed this hard line that went all the way down there. I cut that off and put aftermarket braided, really tough, high grade braided line that runs all the way down. All the way from the top all the way to right here. Bam, tighten it, and it will make future fuel pump changes a lot easier. You see that? Made in the USA, baby. Yep. Okay, so now that we have everything buttoned back up, door is working perfectly fine. Pump is in. Tank is all buttoned up. I'm gonna add the little handle later on, but yeah, everything is cool. All we have to do is put the seats back in and we golden, baby. We're gonna turn it on and see if we have fuel pressure. And just like that, boys, fuel pump is working mighty well. So she primes good. This was just a quick little video. Mikey Mike! My boy Mike, but yeah, just a quick little video of the first proper trapdoor that I ever seen on YouTube. Much love to the homie Young Static. I never really spoke to him, but I seen it from him first, so I'm gonna give props to Young Static, most definitely, because that's where I got it from. But yeah, I just want to do a little bit different at the hinges. And yeah, much love to all the Honda people. Most definitely, you already know, PFI for life. And this your boy, SI Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, I know y'all like, why we haven't seen no rolling vids yet, if you look through all my videos, but don't worry. It's coming, and when I bring them, I'm gonna bring them hard. Trust me, baby. With this bad boy and her. So hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that bell, help me out, and like I always say, help me grow, baby. But this your boy SR Rico, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.